Hello, fellow Rangers. Ranger Ricky here.
And MRANGERDANO.
In today's episode, we'll be opening up Hidden Fates, finally. First time. We got all three collections, Charizard GX, Gyarados, and Raichu. So, here's Gyarados. Pretty cool. Yeah, Raichu. Also, pretty cool. But then you got a frickin' Charizard. And that's awesome.
So comment below, for those that are watching on YouTube, which pulls are your favorite from this set. Obviously a lot of them are going to be the full art shinies. So which ones have you guys gotten?
This will be our first time opening up Hidden Fates. Hopefully we get something good. I'm hoping for shiny Charizard, the 3 legendary birds, Rainbow Rare. There's also Mew and Mewtwo. I don't know what else is in there, but we'll start with
I for sure want shiny Scizor full art.
That's in
shiny. Yeah, shiny Umbreon.
Yep.
Espeon. And what else would be cool? Do you have any Rainbow Rares in this set?
Yes.
Is the shiny Charizard Rainbow Rare? No, that was the previous set, right?
That was previous set. There's Rainbow Rare of the 3 legendary birds. And that's the only one I know of.
Well, that's the one we have too, right?
Yeah, that's the one we have, yeah.
Well, be sure to, for those that are watching, be sure to follow us on Instagram, on Mystic Rangers 2020, and also subscribe to our channel and give us a like if you dig the content, and comment below which poll you'd be liking for this video when you stick to the end. This most likely will be a 3-part series, so we're going to open one box at a time.
Yep.
So, yeah, thanks again for everybody that's been watching and subscribing and liking our content. We really have fun with this stuff. Like, we do it for it's got passion and makes us happy. And I think at the bottom line, that's a lot why the Pokemon community is really tight, because a lot of us are really enjoying all this together and interacting. So if you guys, any content creators are watching, be sure to hit us up on Instagram. It goes down the DMs if you want to do like some kind of collaboration or a cool pack opening live stream. Yeah, we're open to a lot of things, and so yeah, let's go ahead and get started, Ricky.
Yeah. Start with Gyarados.
Cool.
Okay, so I've already opened it, sleeved up the promo Gyarados right here. Awesome looking card. Dragon Rage 130, Hyper Beam 240. That's cool. We also have the Jumbo. We got 4 Hidden Fates, 3 Mews, 1 shiny Charizard. Yeah. Let's get into this.
Cool.
And here we are. We got the 4 packs in the stack, the Gyarados right there. And I guess we'll just get into it. So we got Mew.
Alright, good start already. White code. And for those that are interested with the codes, go ahead and just DM us on Instagram, and we have a deal going on for 10 codes, 9 green, 1 white, and then a reverse holo or a holo for $10.
Alright, so we got Psyduck, Clefairy, Magikarp, Ekans, Voltorb, Electric Energy. I'm seeing a trend with that. That's funny. Charmeleon, That's actually cool. That's cool.
I think the same arc word is the shiny hollow.
Huh. Chansey. Giovanni's Exile. Discard up to 2 of your bench Pokemon that have no damage counters on them and all cards attached to them.
Might be a strategy for that for a specific card. Like pulling from the graveyard or something.
We got Reverse Graveler. That's cool. And Hollow, right?
Not hollow?
That's not Hollow.
Huh.
Snorlax.
Weird.
That's a green code.
Huh. Okay.
Well,
First pack was a dud.
unless it's just changed it.
Was it Charmeleon?
No.
You did a Poke trick, right?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, Charmeleon's uncommon.
Weird.
This one has a star. So that's a rare.
Okay.
Okay, so
We're deceived.
yeah. Alright, well. On to the second pack. Another Mew. It won't open.
Okay. Another white code.
Let's see if it means anything.
Yeah. Just put those in the front.
Just put them in
Yeah,
there.
energy ends up being in the front anyway.
Oh, water. Okay. Cool. Good to know. Water. Misty, Cerulean, Gym City. City Gym. Oh, wow. Chansey. Giovanni's Exile. Ekans. Coffee. Cubone. Geodude. Slowpoke. Shiny Dartrix. Wow.
That's nice.
First shiny. And that's what, the reverse slot? Or it's Jolteon. Yeah, so it's the reverse slot. That's cool.
So maybe you have to do 5? Is Jolteon the hollow? Obviously not the hollow, but the rare?
That's the rare, so this is the reverse slot.
Huh. Give him a closer look on that.
Yeah.
For those watching.
Yeah, it's a rare, but Jolteon is rare. So this is the rare. This is the reverse.
Let me see that one. Interesting.
Yeah. So that means we have a potential of a shiny and another shiny.
Oh, double that. Oh, that'd be
Doubles,
cool.
yeah.
That'd be cool.
We got Mew, and last card, last pack, Charizard. Let's get into this one. Gotta make sure the ends are open, because then we'll grab it. Yeah.
Another white.
Another white. So they're all whites.
Maybe they're all white.
Same thing for Shiny Legends.
Alright, I'm guessing fighting.
Psychic. Fairy.
Alright, what do we got?
Magmar.
Shaw.
Charmeleon. What am I doing? Jinx. Eevee. Ekans. That's a different art. Another one? It's a different art.
Oh, than what you've been getting?
Yeah. Pierce. Caterpie. Charmander. What am I doing? Alright,
Well, we got Charmander and Charmeleon.
Charmeleon.
Are we gonna get Charizard?
hopefully. I'll just swallow you. Swallow shiny. That's cool. And Misty's water command. Is that also rare? Okay.
Yeah, I can see it's hollow from here.
Is it? Oh, it is a hollow. It's not. It's barely picking it up. It's like right there. And up in the corner. There it goes. There we go. Yeah, so it is a hollow. 2 shinies. Quicker than any Pokemon game so far. Let's read that real quick. Move any number of water energies from your Pokemon to your Psyduck, Horsey, Staryu, Starmie GX, Magikarp, Gyarados, or Lapras in any way you like. So if we get Starmie GX, then that could be pretty good. 2 shinies. If you'd actually get shiny Charizard, because that would be sick. All right, final pack. Come on, ultra rare.
Another one.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm guessing lightning, electric.
Fire.
Oh,
there you
let's
go.
go.
Nice. Pokemon Center Lady. Metapod. Sabrina's Suggestion. Geodude. Jigglypuff. Staryu. So, and Misty's command would already work. Another Ekans. Another Eevee. Pikachu Reverse. And Aardvark. Regular rare. Yep.
Yeah, so they all must be white codes then.
Yeah. Huh. I got Pikachu. Bubbles. Cool. So that was the first box. Let's do a recap. So we got Swablu, shiny. Dartrix, shiny. Hollow Misty's Water Command. And a Gyarados GX promo. So far, so good. Which one's your favorite out of the 2?
Oh, I think Swablu. It's a really nice card.
Swablu. It's gold.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.